Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on channels for storage on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on friends permissions, and you come to next window here, then you or we will go back, sorry, you will click here on my information authorizations, and you come to a next window here, then you click here on system permissions, and you come here to this window, you click here on storage, then you come here to channels, you will click, and you come here to channel storage, you will click here in this mark, and like you see color, it's show for us that's main channels, it's turned on to for storage. So that's all, I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.